Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Sound starts with a vibration from a vibrating source. Sound flows like light from the sun with a vibration. Sounds begin. The air goes out and the air comes in. A vibrating object moves rapidly back and forth. A vibrating object acts as a sound source. A drum head, a wall, leaves a string. When they move rapidly back and forth, they are vibrating. Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. A vibrating source beats on the air. Though the air looks empty, there's lots of atoms in there. Let's take, for example, a vibrating drum. The air around the drum quickly begins to hum. Air's atoms fall forward, air's atoms bunch back. Around a vibrating source, the air's under attack. Layer by layer, the air starts to move. Like dominoes falling, the air passes on the groove. Sound, it's all around. Get down your sound, it's all around. Sound, it's all around. Get down your sound, it's all around. It's all around, get down your sound.
You got the lyrics right in your hands, look at
it. Get down your sound.
She said get down.
It's all around, get down your sound. Starts with a vibration.
Sound starts with a vibration.
From a vibrating source, sound flows like light from the sun. Go right. With a vibration, sounds begin.
With a vibration, sounds begin.
The air goes out and the air comes in.
The air goes out and the air comes in.
A vibrating object moves rapidly back and forth.
A vibrating object moves back and forth.
Can't hear you.
A vibrating object acts as a sound source.
A vibrating object acts as a sound source.
A drum head, a wall, leaves a string.
A drum head, a wall, leaves a string.
When they move rapidly back and forth, they are vibrating.
When they move back and forth, they are vibrating.
A vibrating source beats on the air.
A vibrating